Hi, if you have a problem with your bladder, kiteboarding bladder that is leaking at the end, mine just separated and basically half of the bladder just separated. You can see it on that picture. So the quickest fix that I found is basically to this. I put a little wooden piece in my clamp. Basically I put my bladder over that piece, put a piece of paper on top, and use the iron with the pressing motion down like twice or 3 times. Make sure you don't melt it too much, to basically create a seam, because this is basically created by the something hot. So what I did, I basically sealed both sides over here. Now bladder is fine. So this is the quickest way to fix the bladder if it's separating at the end. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.